and I'll see you. Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome. I hope you guys are doing well. Yep, it's so early. I was surprised. Ipsy surprised me. So I was filming another video for a budget makeup look, and I found this on my doorstep, and I said, "Oh my goodness, it's so early." I was surprised. I guess Ipsy is listening to me. I'm so glad that I received this. And I noticed that it's not in the box. I also bought an add-on, and that is part of my future giveaway. I am so excited. If you want to get more Ipsy Dits, I'm going to put all the links down below. This is a $25 subscription, and every month you will receive 5 full sizes makeup, skincare, and beauty tools, and of course your glam bag. So yes, let's dive into it. Alright, I think I was happy from the initial filming of this video. Unfortunately, my makeup bag is missing, and there's another item that I personally picked on August 1st. Unfortunately, it's not inside my package. I was happy at the very beginning, but I cannot pretend that I'm not disappointed. I think that's the right word. But life must go on. I'm going to email Ipsy, and hopefully I can hear from them soon. Okay, now let's move on. The first item is from Ila Masqua, and this is the loaded lip polish in glaze, and this one retailed for $25. And it says here this is infused with babassu and jojoba oil, which both babassu and jojoba oil are well known in nourishing, hydration, and softening your skin. It's just a lip gloss. You see that? It looks like a glass, and I'm so excited to use this. Next item, we have the one from Kiate, London, and this is their watermelon burst pressed setting powder. You know what? My hair is all over my face. My goodness. Okay. And this one is retail for $28. And this is how it looks like. And this is the pressed powder. We're going to swatch this. So it's a typical translucent powder, and actually this is universal. It may be very light on your skin, but it blends in every skin tone. And this one is infused with watermelon extract and hyaluronic acid. Okay, next up we have this one from Beauty for Real, and this is an eyeshadow stick. Oh, it looks like the one that I have from Sigma. Oh, that is so beautiful. You know what? Lately, I've been drawing more on eyeshadow stick. Oh, that's a highlighter. Oh, wow. These are the swatches. This is beautiful. Yeah, I'm so excited to use this. These babies are $38. For these two, like $19. I'm so excited with this fourth item. And this one is from Huda Beauty, and this is her Demi Matte Liquid Lipstick. And I am in shade Feminist. I love her products. I love her lippies. They are long lasting, long wearing, and I am so excited, especially her lip balm, the latest one. I love the applicator of all Huda's liquid lipstick because it hugs your lips. Oh wow, this is beautiful. And this is the shade. And this baby is retail for $20. Okay, let's wrap this up. Everything. Total for our August 2020, supposedly $245, since there's one high-ticketed item from the box unfortunately missing, that is $134. So we have the final total of $111 and our total savings $86. If you are already an Ipsy subscribers, please let me know in the comments down below if we have the same items for August 2020. Please share your thoughts about your Ipsy. I hope you liked this video unboxing for today, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And before you head out, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on that bell to get notified on all my video uploads. Thank you so much, you guys. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.